I'm Susie. I'm the Managing Director of Opus International Products. Opus International Products Limited are an engineering and manufacturing company based in the Midlands, and we manufacture components for a number of sectors including automotive, defence and off-highway. So we were facing an issue of a skills gap, particularly in strategic assessment and marketing. The skills gap was created by a key member of staff leaving the business, and we were approached by the team and we were introduced to Patrick and we had a meeting and it went from there.
My name is Patrick Ricketts. I'm one of the manufacturing growth managers on the Warwickshire Manufacturing Growth Programme. I came in to see Susie and her team. We used our diagnostic tool called Growth Mapper, which is effectively a 360 on your business, and the team agreed that their priority was to look at strategic marketing. One of the key things they wanted to get out of it was how to diversify their client base. I'm happy to say that they've actually been able to be successful and have gained a new client in a sector they've not worked in before, and the future looks really promising for capitalising on the work that's been done with them.
It was a really good process. We really enjoyed it. There was a number of members of the team involved. So Patrick came in, we sat down, we had sort of like a round table and we went through a structured assessment. That all of the results were collated from each member of the team that was involved. Patrick came back, gave the results to us all again, and we had a discussion on that and then suggested some options with the funding that was available. We were introduced to a consultant with those relevant skills. We were offered a set number of hours that were funded. Steve came in and we did some further analysis into the business, and we actually have retained Steve now, and he comes in once or twice a month and works with us to continue that work. The outcomes that we're seeing from working with Steve, we've got a much better strategic view of where we are and where we're going. We are more easily able to identify opportunities for improvement, and we've already sought a number of improvements in the way we market Opus, really understanding our identity and how to make that known to existing and potential customers.
I think from my own point of view, it's essential that the county's businesses continue to thrive and succeed. There are brilliant programs like the Warwickshire Manufacturing Growth Programme that helps businesses do that. So to any leaders, the businesses out there that are wondering where the next challenge is and are concerned about how to take their business forward, why not give the Warwickshire Manufacturing Growth Programme a call? And you never know, you may be coming out with successful strategies down the line, just as Opus International have managed to do themselves.
The future for Opus International Products looks diverse. One of the main things that's come out of working with the team is that we have diversified. We've got new customers in defence, in some medical equipment. There's so many opportunities available that we wouldn't have discovered had it not been for this work. We would absolutely recommend the programme. Working with Patrick has been really enjoyable experience. We've got a number of the team members involved, so it's not just been a senior management activity. Lots of good communication and opportunities that have come from it have really benefited the business. So I'd encourage anyone to get involved. You get out of it what you put into it.